Hey guys, welcome to Product Review and Challenges. I'm Savannah, and today we're going to be opening the Aiper Smart Robotic Pool Cleaner. Okay, let's unbox this to see what's inside. So here's the manual and some tools you may need. Use the hose for the cleaner. Here's the robot. So this is supposed to self-clean and clean your pool automatically, and it does it efficiently and fast. It actually climbs up the walls of the pool so it can clean it effectively. Okay guys, we're gonna see this all unboxed in a second. And here it is. The Aiper Smart Robot Self-Cleaner, Pool Self-Cleaner. So you can enjoy more time enjoying your pool rather than cleaning it. So, this is so cool. We're gonna see what's everything's in here. So they gave us a user manual, so we know how to use it. Okay, and inside the user manual, it tells you how to set this up and use this. So when you press the cycle, it chooses what cycle you choose for how long of each hour. So it says 1 hour, 2 hours, or 3 hour cycle. And then you can use this to turn the machine on and off. You usually plug this into an outlet close by, and then so once it connects, it'll be ready to go. And then in every package, it comes with 3 little foam filters. These are not the actual filters inside, but this is to filter the filters. So this comes with extra big filters on each side. It can hold all the nasty stuff you have in your pool. And these can be used to absorb anything like extra superficial or super small. And you can put them inside here. Now let's get this hooked up and ready to test it out in the pool. Hey guys, we're gonna turn it on and put it in pool and see how it works. It went up the wall and now it's going down and cleaning it. Watch as it goes up the wall. After an hour, we're going to be showing you the filters and see how much it actually picked up and cleaned.
Hi guys, this is Misha Montana. Today we're going to check the filter. So we just unlock there, okay. There are 2 filters in this. Ooh, let's see what goodies are in here. Check that out. Ooh. Well, it's definitely doing its job. There's all kinds of fun gunk in there. So that's good. Good job. And it has 2, so you get double your cleaning. And they're leaves too, look at that. Ooh, good job. Look at this little guy go. Great. Bye you guys, have a good day.
I would definitely recommend getting this pool cleaner. It saves up so much time cleaning your pool, so you don't have to worry about it. It does it all for you. This is the first time I've ever seen a pool cleaner climb up a wall, and if I ever see someone with this in their pool, I know for sure it's clean and I'll be there swimming.